Hey everyone, welcome back to PPPDesigner. Today I am bringing you a list of some fantastic icon resources websites that can transform your design projects. Each one of these sites has unique offerings, whether you are looking for simplicity, customization, or something with that extra touch of personality. Let's explore how these resources can help you creating stunning visual websites.
Tabular icons. These sites offer a beautiful collection over 2,000 open source icons, each designed with simplicity and clarity in mind. Tabular icons are great for projects that need clean, minimal visuals. Each icon is highly customizable with scalable vectors format that works well for both design, digital, and printed designs. If you are creating apps or websites that can need a consistent, lightweight icon set, Tabular Icon is a fantastic for you. Next, let's dive in to the macOS icon gallery. These websites offer a curated collection of icons inspired by Apple icon macOS. From app icons to system UI elements, you will find a range of beautifully designed icons that align with Apple aesthetic standards. It's a go-to resource if you want to bring that elegant Mac OS feel into your project or create designs that appeal to Apple enthusiasts. For those of you who love coding your own visuals, CSS Icon Space is an incredible tool. This site offers a collection of CSS-based icons, which means they are lightweight and easy to style directly within CSS file. If you are building a fast, responsive site and want scalable icons that can be fully customized with CSS, this is the place to look. CSS Icon Space also offer icons in simple and creative style so you can find exactly what you need to enhance your code-based project. Check out Portlab Icon. This website offers a diverse range of icons from flat designs to more detailed illustration style. Portlab Icons has collection tailored to various themes such as business, education, and technology, which makes it easy to find icons that match the focus of your project. With its combination of classic and modern icons, Spotlab Icons is a perfect for creating dynamic visuals across digital platforms. But definitely not least, we have Fontello. Fontello is a powerful tool for creating custom icon fonts with Fontello. You can pick and choose icons from multiple icon sets to create a custom font that suits your project exact needs. If you are especially useful for web projects where you want icons to load as fonts to save bandwidth from improved performance. The customization options make Fontello ideal for designers looking for flexibility and control over their iconography. You have it. Five fantastic resources for icons that can take your design to the next level. I hope these websites give you some of the fresh ideas and new tools to explore. So don't forget to like, please. Kindly do subscribe. You guys are not subscribing. Kindly subscribe and share this video if you found this helpful. Keep following for more design tips and tools and insights. See you soon, guys. Bye bye.